Okay, welcome to the second part of section 5.4, point-slope form continued. We'll start with a warm-up. I want you to find the equation of the line containing the point -2, -3 and has a slope of 4. And then I want you to graph the equation y minus 1 equals 2 times the quantity x plus 3. Let's see how you did. In this one, we use our point-slope form y minus y1, so -3 equals 4 times x minus x1, -2. Fix those double negatives to become y plus 3 equals 4 times the quantity x plus 2. The second one, our point is -3 because remember it's minus a negative to become that plus sign and a positive 1, and our slope is 2. So we put a dot on -3, positive 1, and from there we're going up 2 and over 1. Today we're going to write equations of lines when we're just given 2 points. So our first step is to find the slope. And then once we find the slope, we pick either of our 2 points and put those numbers in for x1 and y1. So for this example, we're going to do 5 minus a -4, which is 5 plus 4 or 9. -3 minus 6 is -9. So our slope is -1. I chose to use the first point, so I have y minus -4 equals -1 times x minus 6. Fix that double negative to become y plus 4 equals -1 times x minus 6. Let's try another one. I have -5, -1, 4, -7 as my points. I need to first find my slope. Using my slope formula, I get -2/3 after reducing. Using my point-slope form, I pick the first point to get y minus a -1 equals -2/3 x minus a -5. Fix those double negatives to become y plus 1 equals -2/3 times x minus 5. Another example, find your slope first. We end up with -3/8 for our slope. Picking the first point to get y minus a -2 equals a -3/8 times the quantity x minus 2. Fix those double negatives to become y plus 2 equals -3/8 times the quantity x minus 2. Another example, we have -3(1) and 5(4). We're going to substitute into our slope formula. And then we end up with +3/8 for our slope. And I chose to use the first point. Again, it doesn't matter which point you use. I chose the first one, y minus 1 equals 3/8 x minus a -3. Fix that double negative to be y minus 1 equals 3/8 x plus 3. And one more example. Other points I have are 1, 12 and -3/5. I use my slope formula to find my slope, which is 7/4. And then I substitute into my formula, y minus 12 equals 7/4 times x minus 1. Another thing we're going to have in our assignment for today is using tables to find our equations. So first thing we're going to do is locate any 2 points from the table to find the slope. These act just like our points. These are our x's and these are our y's. They chose to use the second point, so I chose to use the first point, 33, 20, and 2. To find my slope, I use the slope formula and get 1250 over 1, or just 1250. Then I picked one of those 2 points. I chose to use the first one, so y minus 33/20 equals 1250 times x minus 2. And the slope in this case represents the number of gallons per hour. We're going to graph lines that go through the given point and has the slope m. So we're going to plot our point 3, -4. Or not. Let's see, we got this one a little bit wrong, so let's fix this. We have 3, -4, there we go, and our slope is 6. So we're going up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and over 1. Remember, slope is always rise over run, so even though it's only a 6 there, there's a 1 underneath it. So that should be the equation of our line. Again, another example here, we have a point, -4, 7. So we graph that, -4, 7, and our slope is 3. So up 3 and over 1. Another example, 2, 3 with a slope of 3. We graph the point 2, 3. We go up 3 and over 1. This time we have a point 3, 2, so we go to the right 3 and up 2. Our slope is 2/3, so rise over run. This time our point is 0, 3, and our slope's negative, so we go down 4 and over 1. Connect our points to form the line. Your assignment for today is on page 317, numbers 19 to 26.